Welcome back to Drug Interaction News with Dr. Karmer. That's me. So, people ask, why do we have so many problems with drug interactions? Well, we have overprescription. We have too many people taking too many things. It's also called polytherapy. If you look, there was a recent Time article about this. So, if we start breaking it down, why do we have such a problem? Well, we like to take drugs. We being people in the United States and Western civilization. For example, last year in 2022, there were over 4.6 billion prescriptions filled. This represents 14 prescriptions per person. And over 131 million people take at least one medication. As I mentioned earlier, this is complicated by the fact that people are also taking herbal supplements. Over 80% of all Americans are taking herbal supplements. So people think that, okay, the FDA requires drug manufacturers to look out for us, to make sure our drugs are safe. Well, we don't have a foolproof system. Just to give you an example, most pharmaceuticals go to market with only 3,000 patient exposures, if you will. There are some drugs that present toxicities or problems with it needs 20,000 people to detect the toxicity. An example of this is bromfenac. To detect that, we need at least 60,000 patient exposures. And drugs are dosed. One size fits all. Your physician doesn't weigh you when they give you a prescription. All drugs pretty much are manufactured to be a pill. Yes, there's some exceptions with injectables. But the whole system is not designed to be personal, if you will. It doesn't necessarily take into account what other things we might be taking, such as the herbs, and other factors play in. What's causing the plasma concentration of your drug to be effective or to not be effective? So, unfortunately, we're kind of on our own out here in taking care of ourselves. And we need to think about taking less and less medications. That's my advice. So, go ahead, send us your questions, and we'll do our best to answer them.